is up, guys? Welcome back to RWD Status. Thank you for tuning in. Today is going to be the big special where we start the actual full assembly of the RB30. Gonna run to RB30 to get a Nissan oil pump bolts kit that they have there. So I'm gotta go grab the 2 keys because misplaced those, or they just weren't put back. I don't know which one it was. Also gotta go to RB30 to pick up the oil pickup. So for an RB25 oil pan. So yeah, we're gonna run there real quick. Hurry up and get back and get this assembly underway. Alright guys, we're here at RB30 and look what they have outside. This thing's a masterpiece. Built right here at RB30. Look at that Greddy intercooler. Look at this amazing setup. Carbon fiber S15 hood, S15 front end on the S14. Man, they always go out of their way to do the best. This thing is seriously sick, guys. By the way, that's a RB28 2.8 RB stroker. Hell yeah. Some style in your life, kids. RB30. Alright, back with the goodies we got from RB30. Alright, so we got the wood keys, or whatever those are called, for the crank. These are the new oil pump bolts right here. And then this is just the bolts for the pickup, which is still not even open yet. So this is the new RB25 pickup. Ooh, look at that. Nice and clean. So currently shimming the oil pump. What that is, guys, basically to increase the oil pressure. I actually have him explain it.
Yes. So Marcelo just said that just to increase the oil pressure. What we'll do is, many people put a bearing in there. They'll put a screw. The perfect size screw, which is a flathead, 10 mil. This one gives you like 15% more oil pressure. Plus, when you have the restrictor on the block, you'll focus more on all the oil pressure here. With the restrictor, the head's gonna get like 15-20 psi of oil pressure, which is enough for the cylinder head just to keep everything lubricated. All the stress is at the bottom, so this is what you want all the oil pressure at. So we'll increase it since Marcelo's, you know, a futuristic drifter. So we're trying to keep the bottom end alive, so you can do all the sideways you can.
All right, sounds good. Install the Tomei oil restrictor. I believe it's like a 1.5 millimeter oil restrictor. It goes on top of the stock one that you already have in your block. But all right, we're gonna do that. Drop the head studs in and get the head on, hopefully. And then, you know, I'll tighten up all the small stuff. Still got to throw the water pump on, but we're almost there. So, fuck yeah. In order to correct the RB oiling issue, you have to put a reducer or the orifice in this one here, but this one needs to be completely blocked off. And as you can see, it's nowhere near being blocked off. It's a giant hole right there. So I have to figure out how either to block it with a orifice fitting, or I might need to take it to a machine shop. Obviously things don't work out exactly as planned when you're doing engine builds. Try your best to get everything and have everything set up ahead of time, but you know, things happen. So now I'm just gonna have to do some research. Let me know if any of you guys know. Hopefully I get this fixed before. But if you guys have an idea by the time this video drops, please comment in the comment period. Let me know what you guys think, what you've done with your RBs. If you have any RBs, period, give me some information, man. Share the RB knowledge, you know what I mean? Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm gonna keep pumping out more RB30 stuff until this thing gets put into the car. If all goes well, this RB30 should be dropped into the S13 fairly soon. So fingers crossed and stay tuned, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.